Well, here it comes. Yeah. Just straighten out now. Okay. You can go straight out, I think. It's all right.
Yeah, I think so. Hey? Yeah, it's not completely flat. No, it's because the car's curved. Wiring all done. Holes for number plate already in place. So wiring done there. There's a Z flaps hiding in there. There's my lovely new interior. Carpet all removed. There's the brackets that bolt to the door handle, so you pull on the door when you shut it. All the trim where the seat belts go has all been trimmed up. arch liners are already not fitted but pre-fitted. There's the diffuser. The old brackets at the top there. Can't really see them. There's a bracket that holds the diffuser in place. Access panel cut there. Get behind the number plate, there's the Anderson clamp. There, wired up to the battery. All the wiring done for the rear lights, there it is. There's the induction kit. All that there, runs off around there. Attaches. It will attach to, there you go, there's the other tube. There's the tube. Oh, I can't see it. There you go, there's the induction kit bit, the filter's in there. There's the old brackets there, the old sill, keep it sturdy. And you can see there, not very clearly, but brackets put on there to secure the rear lights more. There's your Z flap, you can put it out like this. Right, there's your Z flap. Oh. Well, it's taken about a year to get it to this stage, 300 hours. Basically, got one more weekend here and then it goes off to get painted. So yeah, see you soon, bye.